Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to share the best and quickest method to grind your Microsoft reward points. By using a powerful trick, you'll be able to accelerate your point collection. So first, you'll need to open your Microsoft Edge browser and make sure you're logged in and look for the extension icon at the top right corner. So if you don't see it there, click on the three dots and choose extensions. Then click Open Microsoft Edge add-on website. In the add-on website, search for reward slate. Type it exactly as shown, then click Get, and then Add Extension, and then wait a few seconds for the installation to finish. So once it's done, just click on Close. You'll now see the reward slate icon. So you'll need to click on it to open the extension. So for this one, we'll need to adjust the settings. Set the minimum to zero point 0.2 and the maximum to zero point 0.8 and enable the close tab once completed option to automatically close tabs after grinding. In the number of searches field, set the desired number. So I'm using 30 as an example. So once you're set up, just click Start Search to begin the process. So you'll see the extension quickly grinding and closing tabs within seconds and it's done. Check your Microsoft Rewards points again, and you'll see a significant increase. The process is super fast and efficient. And there you have it. By using the Rewards Late extension, you can grind your Microsoft Reward points at a much faster rate, up to 20 times the regular speed. This trick will save you time and effort. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and hit that subscribe button. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.